हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आप लोग को फार्माकोलॉजी फर्स्ट फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का थर्ड वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ। तो लेट्स गो हेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, सिलेक्ट द इनहेलेशन जनरल एनेस्थेटिक which metabolized in the body to significant extent. Sevoflurane, isoflurane, ether, halothane, all of the above. Here the option number D, halothane. Question number 102. Select the correct statement about the nitrous oxide. It irritates the respiratory mucosa. It has poor analgesic action. It is primarily used as a carrier and adjacent to the other anesthetics. It frequently induced post-anesthetic nausea and reacting. None of the above. Here the option number C. It primarily used as a carrier and adjuvant to other anesthetic. 103. Ether is still used as a general anesthetic in India, especially in the peripheral hospital because option it's non-pulsive, it is pleasant smell and non-irritating, it induces anesthetic rapidly, it is cheap and can be administered without anesthetic machine. None of the above. Here the answer D. It is a cheap and can be administered without anesthetic machine. 104. As a general anesthetic, halothane has the following advantage except very good analgesic action, non-inflammable and non-explosive, reasonable rapid induction of anesthesia, pleasant, non-irritating, and none of the above. Here the option number A, very good analgesic action. Residual CNS depression is a list marked after the use of the following anesthesia: diazepam, thiopentone sodium, lorazepam, propofol, and none of the above. Here the option number D, propofol. 106. The anesthetic action of thiopentone sodium is characterized by good muscle relaxation, poor analgesic, sensitization of the heart to adrenaline, no post-preparation, residual CNS depression, none of the above. Here the option number B, poor analgesia. 107. Dissociative anesthesia is produced by ketamine, fentanyl, propofol, both A and B, none of the above. Here the option number A, ketamine. 108. Intravenous fentanyl is used in balanced anesthesia to afford relaxation of chest muscles, analgesia, unconsciousness, suppression of gastric acid secretion, none of the above. Here the option number B, analgesia. 109. Effect of alcohol on sleep has the following feature. It is a dependable hypnotic but is not prescribed because able potential. It considerably improves the quality of sleep. It can disorganize sleep architecture. It suppresses sleep apnea, none of the above. Here the option number C. It can disorganize sleep architecture. 110. Patient treated with the following drugs should be cautioned not to consume alcoholic beverage: mebendazole, metronidazole, methimazole, metamazole, and none of the above. Here the option number D, metamazole. 111. Safe limit of daily alcohol consumption is Same of mean and women, relatively lower for women and than for men, relatively higher for women than for men, less than half for women than the men. Option number B, relatively lower for women than for men. 112. What is considered to be safe limit to daily alcohol consumption by an adult man in the absence of contradiction and interacting drugs? 20 to 40 ml of whiskey, 50 to 100 ml of whiskey, 120 ml of whiskey, and 200 300 ml of whiskey. Here the correct option 505 to 100 ml of whiskey. Then after 113 to next start. 113. Diazepam is used for the patient of acute alcohol intoxication, both physical and physiological dependent alcoholic physiologically but not physically dependent alcohol. Both A and B are correct. Here none of the above. Here the option number C. Alcoholic psychologically but not physically dependent on alcohol. 114. The mechanism of action barbiturate differ from the benzodiazepine is that do not affect the GABA benzodiazepine receptor chloride channel complex, act as inverse agonist at the benzodiazepine receptor, increase the frequency of chloride channel opening without affecting its lifetime, have both GABA facilitatory as well as the GABA mimetics action. And none of the above. Here the option number D. Have both GABA facilitatory as well as GABA mimetic action. 115. Hypnotics benzodiazepine increase period time spent in the following stage of sleep: stage second, stage third, stage fourth, REM stage, both A and B. Here the option number stage A. Stage A, second. 116. The primary mechanism of action of benzodiazepines is dopamine antagonism, adenosine antagonism, opening of neuron chloride channel, facilitate of GABA medication chloride index. And the option number D, facilitation of GABA medication chloride indication. 117. Zolpidem differ from diazepam is that it is safer in overdose than diazepam. Its hypnotic action so little fading on the repeated nightly use. It is more marked suppression of REM sleep. It has more potent muscle reaction action. Here option number B. It is hypnotic action so little fading on repeated nightly use. 118. Which of the following is not a CNS depression but increase the tendency to fall asleep at night? Pyridoxine, diphenylamine, melatonin, ethanol, या all of the above. Here the option number C, melatonin. 119. The barbiturate having higher anticonvulsant sedative activity ratio is pentobarbital, phenobarbital, butabarbital, thiopental, or none of the above. Here the option number B, phenobarbital. The most probably mechanism of anticonvulsant action of phenytoin is facilitation of GABA ergic inhibitory transmission, hyperpolarization of neurons, interaction with calcium channel to promote calcium influx, prolongation of voltage sensitive neuron, sodium channel inactivation, या none of the above. Here the option number D, prolong of the voltage sensitive neuronal sodium channel inactivation. 121. The following anti-epileptic drugs is most likely to impair learning and memory and produce behavior abnormality in children. Valproic acid, phenobarbital, phenytoin, ethosuximide, none of the above. Phenobarbital, option number B. 122. Phenytoin appears to drive its anticonvulsant action form selective inhibition of the high frequency neuronal discharge, selective inhalation to type calcium plus carnitine brain cell, selective enhancement of inhibitory transmission in the brain, या none of the above. Here the option number A, selective inhibition of high frequency neuronal discharge. 123. The following adverse effect of phenytoin are relative to high plasma drug concentration: ataxia, hirsutism, gum hyperplasia, all of the above. Here the option number A, ataxia. 124. The selective anti-epileptic drugs that is effective in main depression illness as well: ethosuximide, primidone, phenobarbital, carbamazepine. Here the option number D, carbamazepine. 125. The drugs of choice for trigeminal neuralgia is: option aspirin, empramine, carbamazepine, valproic acid. Here the option number C, carbamazepine. 126. The following statement is not true for carbamazepine: its generate an active metabolism, its plasma half-life decreased to nearly half of the original value after chronic use, it is being used in mania, it is not effective complex partial seizures, या none of the above. Here the option number D, it is not effective in complex particle seizures. 127. The following anti-epileptic drugs raises pentylene tetrazole seizure threshold but does not modify maximum electroshock seizures: ethosuximide, carbamazepine, primidone, phenobarbital, या none of the above. Here the option number A, ethosuximide. 128. Select the drugs having a narrow spectrum anti-epileptic activity restricted to the absence of seizures: lamotrigine, ethosuximide, sodium valproate, या primidone. Here the option number B, ethosuximide. 129. Sodium valproate has been shown to prolong neuron sodium channel inactivation, attenuate T-type calcium carnitine neuron, inhibition degradation of GABA by the GABA transmission, या all of the above. Here the all of the above. The preferred drugs of suppression fabric convulsion is a intramuscular phenobarbital, intravenous phenytoin, rectal diazepam, oral sodium valproate. Here the rectal diazepam. 131. Despite having anticonvulsant action,
Diazepam is not used in the treatment of epilepsy because it is not effective orally. It is called sedation. It anticonvulsant action. Ones of which chronic use both B and C are correct. Here none of the above. Here answer D. Both and C are correct. Clobazam is a benzodiazepine used as a hypnotic, muscle relaxant, anti-gyrotics, anti-epileptic. Yeah, none of the above. Here the option number the anti-epileptic. 133. Choose the correct statement about the lamotrigine. It is a dopaminergic agonistic used in Parkinson. It acts by the blocking NMDA type of glutamate receptor. It is a broad spectrum anti-epileptic drugs. It is suppresses toxic clonic seizure but worsen absence seizures. We have the option number C. It is broad spectrum anti-epileptic drugs. 134. Gabapentin acts as a GABA agonist as a precursor of GABA by the enhancing GABA release by the GABA independent mechanism. Yeah, all of the above. Here the option number C. By enhancing GABA release. 135. Select the anticonvulsant drugs that act as a GABA transminase inhibitor. Gabapentin, vigabatrin, lamotrigine, clobazam, या none of the above. Here the option number B. Vigabatrin. 136. A combination of two or more anti-epileptic drugs is used routinely all types of epilepsy in all case of complex partition seizure in case all the secondary generation seizure only when the monotherapy with first second choice of the drugs falls. Here the option number D. Only when the monotherapy with the first and second choice drugs. 137. A 3-year-old boy gets seizure whenever he develops fever, which is the most appropriate strategy so that he does not develop febrile convulsion. Option: treat fever with the paracetamol and do not give any anticonvulsant drugs. Continue phenobarbital prophylaxis till the age of 10 years. Continue diazepam prophylaxis for 3 years. Intermediate diazepam prophylaxis start at the onset of the fever. None of the here the option D. Intermediate diazepam prophylaxis start at the onset of the fever. 138. The most effective drugs Parkinson is bromocarpine, silazine, levodopa, carbidopa, biniparvadine. या none of the above. 138 का C. levodopa and carbidopa. 139. Select the anti-Parkinson drugs which directly activates diazepam D2 receptor in the stegmine. Paramixazole, entacapone, benzoxide, silazine, या both A and B. Paramixazole. 140. The following drugs combination should not be used in Parkinson. Levodopa anticholinergic drugs, levodopa amantadine, bromocarpine, levodopa amantadine and anticholinergic. Yeah, none of the above. Here the option number the amantadine and anticholinergic drugs. 141. Select the drugs that reversibility inhibits the enzyme COMT and is useful as an adjuvant medication in advanced Parkinson's disease. Option: paramidazole, entacapone,
परग्लाइड या पिरिबिलिडीन या ऑल ऑफ द एबव। 141 का बी एंटीकार्पेवन। 142 कंपेयर टू अदर antipsychotic drugs, the destructive feature of penfloride is very long duration of action, weak dopamine due to blocking activity, lack of extrapyramidal side effects, additional 5-HT2 receptor blocking activity, here none of the above. Here the option number A, very long duration of action. 143 chlorpromazine therapy increase the secretion of the following hormone: prolactin, gonadotropin, corticotropin, amidodiuretic hormone, none of the prolactin. Option number A. 144 the major limitation in the use of clozapine to treatment of schizophrenia is its potential cause agnosis. Its inhibit to benefit negative symptoms of schizophrenia, high indication of extrapyramidal side effects, production of hyperprolactinemia, none of the above. Here the option number A, its potential to cause agranulocytosis. 145 which of the following is high potency antipsychotic drugs having minimum sedative autonomic effect and no possibility to cause weight gain: chlorpromazine, trifluramine, haloperidol, olanzapine. Option number C, haloperidol. 146 the psychotic symptoms most benefited by the neuroleptic drugs are judgment and memory impairment, loss of insight and violation, hallucination, delusion, aggressive behavior, apathy, and social withdrawal. 146 के C, hallucination, delusion, and aggressive behavior. 147 a manic patient have been brought to the hospital with the non-stop talking, singing, uncontrollable behavior, and apparent loss of contact with reality. Which of the following the most appropriate drugs of rapid control of his symptom: lithium carbonate, phenobarbital, haloperidol, valproic acid. Both A and B. 47 के C, haloperidol. 148 select the drugs which should not be used to treat neurotic anxiety, tension syndrome, dissipate having anxiety action: bisoprolol, chlorpheniramine, diazepam, alprazolam, none of the above. Head option number B, chlorpheniramine. 149 choose the correct statement about the use of propranolol in anxiety. Being non-sedative, it is the drug's choice of chronic anxiety state. It suppresses the psychological component of anxiety. It suppresses the autonomic manifestation of actual stressful situation. Both B and C correct, or all of the above. Head option number C. It suppresses the autonomic manifestation actually stressful situation. 150 the following is relevant and selective MOA inhibitors: bupropion, entacapone, moclobemide, sileginide, none of the above. Here the option number C, moclobemide. तो गाइस 100 का फार्माकोलॉजी फर्स्ट 4 सेमेस्टर का मैंने MCQ कंप्लीट कर दिया. सो थैंक यू.